Magandang araw mga kamega. I am Joel Laksamana, ay yung LG Product Specialist. Ikaw ba'y nagdadalawang isip kung bibili ka ng aircon sa panahong tag-ulan? No worry! I will introduce to you the LG Dual Inverter Split Type. Bukod sa matipid na sa kuryente, papangalagaan pa ang kalusugan ng iyong pamilya. Katulad ng mga features na ito.
PM 1.0 sensor detects indoor dust concentration. Color Smart Display. Display indoor air quality. Ion diffuser. Emits negative ion to particle for deluxe split type. Ultrafine dust filter. Remove ultrafine dust particle. UV nano. Remove 99.99% of bacteria with UV nano light to keep the wind generating fan and fresh. Dry mode. To reduce the humidity in room when the air is warm and very humid to extract more moisture from the air and to avoid moisture sticky on our skin. Kilowatt manager. You can manage, budget, monitor your electricity consumption by using Kilowatt Manager ThinQ app you can download in Play Store.
Di ba ang galing ng LG Dual Inverter Split Type? Umulan o umaraman, safe ang kalusugan ng iyong pamilya.